there. Just wanted to give you more updates. If you are new to this channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's build this channels up as the name say, build income. So we're gonna build up the channel and then we're gonna build our income. So as your host, we need to pump the channel up. So moving forward, I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of when you're buying penny stock. Right now, it's a good time to buy. If you buy before the Fed spoke, today, well, Friday, before the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, before he spoke on Friday, if you had bought before, then pretty much you're in a good spot. But right now, since he already spoke, and I think he's gonna cut the rate in September, supposedly, he says. So the market pretty much on Friday bounced back and things start turning green again. So pretty much moving forward, you may want to consider like investing in penny stocks because close to the end of the year, the market is going to pretty much pump because with stocks, crypto, any other asset that people invest in, they start going to pump up because once Jerome Powell say if we get like a 0.25% or either 50% or pretty much, or maybe whatever we get from Jerome Powell as far as like interest rate cut, it's going to pump the market. So with crypto, and just remember that I am investing in crypto also, and also the stock market. So me coming to you, it's I have some my feet is deep in those things. So I'm aware of the up and down, and I just want to keep it positive for you guys here because usually when you are investing, you'll hear all kind of stuff in the market, which is common. It's part of the market. You're gonna go up and down. The cycles goes up and down, and some days you're gonna make money, other days it's like pure red, and where you like feeling discouraged. It's common. Whatever you're feeling, it's common. So I have been in the market for a long period of time, so I really know the logics and the up and down that you goes through, the cycle of it. So it's I do invest in other stocks besides penny stocks, but I just want to make sure that people that are coming into the market and also people that's already in the market, that they're aware that they can start with penny stocks and then move up to pricey or either stable stocks. So, but if you start with penny stocks, then you make some money and then you can use that money to invest in more stocks, more like I would say maybe buying Walmart, buying Tesla, buying Google stocks, buying any other 7 magnificent stocks, Microsoft, or those stocks I'm already invested in those. So pretty much the reason that I'm wanting to start this channel is because some people may start investing right now. So this will be like a support channel for you to start, like, but do research. As I mentioned to you before, you always want to do research. Whenever I present you some stocks, do your research. Go to Google them, see the price, see the name of the company, where they are, as far as like if they are in US. Mostly I pick companies that are in US pretty much, and some of them may be in Europe area also. So that way we keep it here. And I also have mentioned to you guys that whenever you invest in penny stocks, whenever you make some money, like maybe, as I mentioned to you, 10, 20, 30, 50% of the stocks, cash it out. Don't wait. Oh, it's going to shoot up to the moon. Well, you don't know that. I don't know that. I can promise you that it's going to shoot up to the moon. If you didn't cash out, you're going to miss out. Because what happens is when you cash out, you have more money to buy more stocks. So when it goes down, that way you can buy into it again and then keep on making more money. You understand what I'm saying? So keep that in mind when you're buying these penny stocks. Okay, so I'm going to go straight to the point. Yes, the whole channel is about focus on making money, pretty much. In the future, I may include other stocks, but I just want people to get the basic knowledge of that you can start with very little and then increase over time. That way you're not like scared or either now feeling like you don't have enough to start with. You can start with $50, $100. You just need to open an account. Use Fidelity as far as one of the broker you can use, because other company that I use, other stockbrokers that I use, they charge a whole lot of, for you to buy those warrants. So you really want to use Fidelity because they really, I think there's like some kind of a paper. Once you start buying them, it's gonna tell you, or you need to sign this paper that you're buying those penny stocks and whatever, I guess, risk that comes with it, that you're aware of the risk. Okay. But if you are knowledgeable in stocks, then pretty much you know the risk, you know the reward and the risk. For me, I find that there's more reward than risk. There are risks, but there's reward. Once you buy them, then pretty much um you hoping in a few weeks time or month that the stock is going to make you money. So that's always a good way to look at it. Okay, so some of the penny stock I'm going to share with you today is ANT. So any stock you see alone, it's by itself. It doesn't have warrants. So pretty much anything that have anything you see two, there's a warrants with it. Okay, and then the next one is KOS, and then the next one is BURU, BURU, and then it has a warrants. So you want to do buy the stocks and the warrants because you're making double the money. Some of the, as I mentioned to you before, for some of you who listen to the videos, that when you buy the warrants, sometimes the warrants are very limited as far as how many stocks of the warrants you can buy. Sometimes they allow you to buy 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Some of them only allow you to buy 500, 200, or 300. So it depends on the company that you're buying from. And then the next one is FFAI, and then FAIW, EQ, Expand, PMN, HTCR, and HTCRW for warrants, SLDP and SLDPW, MVST and the MVSTW, NEOV and then NEOVW, and then the IBXR. So those stocks, whenever I present them to you, I am investing already in them, or either I am about to buy, because what happens is sometimes when I do things like that over the weekend, I have to wait until Monday to come in. Buy as you buy, I'm buying. So at some point, so when you're making money, let me know. Comment below. That way you know for sure that this is working out for you, and also you letting me know that it's working for you. So for those of you who are new, welcome. And any of you who have subscribed, thank you for starting to build up the channel. So, and further, or either in the near future, I will bring you more stuff beside penny stocks. But right now, we do want to start with that because that's how we want to build up, moving forward. So it's always going to be that subject and then more. Okay. So I will speak to you at a later time. So keep on investing and keep on making money. See you next time.